Hello everyone, welcome to Code Kudos. In this tutorial, let's talk about unit testing in Java. Unit testing is a testing process through which smallest testable units of any program are tested. So in our Java program, the smallest unit testable are either the class or the method that are present inside the class. So let us conduct unit testing in Java through a framework called JUnit. To use JUnit, we have to update our dependency in our Maven repository. So to do that, you have to navigate to your POM XML. So here you need to add the JUnit dependency from Maven repository. Once this is done, we can start programming. So for that, I have created a simple class called calculator. So within which let us define a simple method add. My method simply receives two variables and returns the addition of both the variables. So this is my add method. Let us see how to create a test class for this method. To create a test class, go to navigate and select test. You can also use the shortcut that is Ctrl+Shift+T. Here click on create new test and click on OK. This is my test class. So my test class will be present inside my test folder. As you can see, it is already imported the JUnit class. To test my method, I have to create a test inside my test class. So to do that, I have to write an annotation test followed by the method. In this method, let us create a calculator object and I'm going to call the add method using this object. This result object will contain the result based on this method, that is the addition of these two variables. Now I'm going to call a method called assert_equals. So what this method does is that it uses the JUnit framework to compare both the results. So that is the expected result as well as the actual result. So the expected result is 1 plus 3 is 4 and we can supply our actual variable. So results contains the result of this method. So I'm supplying both the expected as well as the actual. So once this is done, as you can see, there is a run button available here, and if I select run test, see my test case is passed. Let's say if the test case is failed, so if there is an issue in my logic, so instead of a plus b, I'm changing it to a minus b. So in that case, it will not return my expected value. I'm again running this test. I am getting an error. So it gives us many useful information like what is the expected value and what is the actual value, as well as where is the error is happening. This use case of JUnit is a very basic and very beginner use case. Subscribe to see more complicated use case of JUnit, as well as stay tuned for upcoming application based JUnit testing. Thanks for watching.